Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by restarting the Ps4 to clear temporary processes and free system resources. Close all games and background apps before starting an update to prevent CPU and disk contention. Pause other downloads and disable automatic installs so the console dedicates full bandwidth to a single update. If you use rest mode, enable downloads in rest mode and keep the console connected to power for uninterrupted updating. These steps reduce system load and improve update stability and speed overall. For fastest downloads, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Connect to a 1 Gbps router port and use a quality CAT5E or CAT6 Ethernet cable for stable throughput. Set DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to reduce lookup delays, and consider opening PSN ports TCP80 and 443 plus UDP 3478, 3479, and 3400. Make sure you have at least 15 GB of free internal storage before starting major updates. Consider replacing the hard drive with an SSD or using an internal 5-inch 1 TB SSD for markedly faster install performance. If installations stall, boot into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database to defragment files and improve I/O speed. As a fallback, download full game update files to a FAT32 USB drive and install manually when the network proves unreliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.